we have to perform the indicated operations and simplify. So first, when we have complex fraction, we have to go inside to the smallest operation which we have here. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, this is equal 2. So now we have 1 over 2. This is equal 1 over 2. So we have 1 plus 1 over 2. So 1 plus 1 over 2 is equal 3 over 2. So next step we have 1 over 3 over 2. So let me write this like this. So this is equal 1 over 3 over 2. Fraction bar, it means we have division. 1 divided by 3 over 2. We have to copy first number and change division to multiplication, and we have to flip fraction 3 over 2, so it will be 2 over 3. So this is equal 1 times 2 over 3 is 2 over 3. So next we have 1 plus 2 over 3. So let me maybe copy this. We have equal sign, and we have first 1 plus the main fraction bar, and we have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, and here we have 1 plus 2 over 3. So this is equal 1 plus 2 over 3. This is equal 3. We can rewrite that 1. We can rewrite that this is 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3. The same denominator we have, so we add numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. So now we have here 1 over 5 over 3. So this is equal 1, this is fraction bar, divided by 5 over 3. So we have to copy first number and we have changed division to multiplication. 5 over 3 is 3 over 5. So this is equal 1 times 3 over 5 is 3 over 5. So now this whole expression is 3 over 5. So let me write this now here. We have that this is equal 1 plus, we have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over, and we have 1 plus this whole expression is equal 3 over 5. So now 1 plus 3 over 5, this is equal 1. We can change to fraction that this is 5 over 5 because we need denominator 5 because we have 5 in the second fraction, plus 3 over 5 we copy the same denominator, so we copy the denominator and we add numerators. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is 8 over 5. So this whole expression will be equal 1 over 8 over 5. So this is 1 divided by, because this fraction bar means division, 8 over 5. So this is equal, we have to copy 1, change division to multiplication, and we have to flip this fraction. So it will be 5 over 8. 1 times 5 over 8 is 5 over 8. So we can write that this is equal, we copy 1 plus, and now we have 1 over 1 plus we have 1 over plus, and this whole expression is equal 5 over 8. So this is equal 1 we have to copy plus 1 over, we have 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 5 over 8. 1 can rewrite that this is 8 over 8 and we have plus 5 over 8. So this is equal 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over the same denominator, so we copy denominator and we add numerators. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So this is equal, we have now here that this is equal 1 divided by 13 over 8. So this is equal 1 times 8 over 13. We have to flip the second fraction. So this is equal 8 over 13. So we have to copy 1 and we have 1 over 1 plus this whole expression is 8 over 13. So this is equal, copy 1 plus 1 over, now we have to do first addition. 1 we can rewrite that this is 13 over 13 plus 8 over 13. Why 13? Because I have denominator 13 in the fraction. So this is equal 1 plus 1 over 13 plus 8 is 21. And we have to copy denominator 13. So this is equal, we have 1 plus 1 divide, fraction bar means divide, by 21 over 13. So this is equal, first we have to do division, next addition. So 1 we copy, next 1 we copy, division we change to multiplication, and we have to flip the fraction. So it will be 13 over 21. So this is equal 1 plus 1 times 13 over 21 is 13 over 21. So this is equal, we have 1 plus 13 over 21 we can write. Or you can change to improper fraction. 21 times 1 is 21 plus 13 is 34 over 21. This solution or that is correct. This is my solution.